We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names like this one. So stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So how do you pronounce this name? Well, there are going to be different pronunciations depending on the country, the origin, the language, the region, the accent. Katiana is probably one of the most common pronunciations, Katiana. Now some may say it also as Katiana or Katiana. Also Katiana, Katiana or Kashana as well. So you cannot be entirely sure. Katiana, Katiana or Katiana, Kashana as well. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments, so to let everybody know as well. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.